Hello everyone, my name is Renu Jaiswal and today we are starting here new chapter that is cube and cube roots class 8 CBSE. Here there is interesting story regarding cube and cube roots. So what happened? One famous mathematician Hardy, he came to visit Mr. Ramanujan. Who is Ramanujan? I think nobody need introduction. He is a famous Indian mathematician who love experimenting with number. So what happened when Hardy came to meet Ramanujan? He came by taxi and the taxi number was, what was that? 21729. What happened? Hardy said this number is so much boring. But the Ramanujan has immediately answered, no, it is very interesting number. The reason is, this is the smallest number which can be expressed as the sum of two cube numbers. So he immediately said it is 1728 plus 1 and that is what? 12 ka cube plus 1 ka cube. Not that, he also said it is 1000 plus 729 which is again 10 ka cube plus 9 ka cube. So 1729 has become so much interesting number. Isn't it such an interesting story that a person can play with this big number in fraction of seconds? And he was known for his mathematical skill. So that was story. Let's move to the topic. Coming to the perfect cube. The way we have studied perfect square and square number, same way we have perfect cube. If I have some number x, so that I can write it as a number multiplied by taking it 3 times. Suppose somehow I find a number and I multiply by taking it 3 times. Suppose I got one y and I'm multiplying y 3 times and getting x. Then I will say x is a perfect cube. Take one example. Suppose I have smallest number 8. If I multiply 2 3 times, I get 8, right? So 8 is a perfect cube. But take the example of 9. I can write this in 3 into 3. It does not take 3 times. So 9 is not a perfect cube. But if I multiply 3 times, I get 27. Means 27 is a perfect cube. Take one more example like 64. I can get 4 into 4 into 4. 4 I am taking 3 times. So 64 is a perfect cube. I hope that is clear. Our next topic is cube of even number is always even. And same way odd number is odd. See, if I take 1 ka cube, it is what? 1. If I take 2 ka cube, which is 8. If I take 3 ka cube, which is 27. So 1 odd, so odd. 2 is even, so 8 is even. 3 is odd, so 27 is odd. And somehow, like all the number, give the same result. Now talking about unit place digit, if I find the cube of it. If original number has unit place as 1, suppose it is 21 or even 11, whatever, the unit place has to be 1. So its cube means multiplying 21 3 times or multiplying 11 3 times. If I cube it, whatever the answer comes, suppose I don't know, but for sure the last digit, what it will be? It is going to be 1. So if our original number has 1 in its unit place, its cube will have 1 in its unit place. If number has 2, its cube will have 8 as its unit place. If 3, 7 and so on. And it is logical also. Suppose I have 21. It means 1, 1, 1 is multiplied 3 times. Obviously 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. Same way, suppose I have 24. So 4 is multiplying by 3 times. Correct? It means 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. Anyways, the last digit is 4 itself. Like that, you can find out what is the unit place if I cube a particular number. Next is, there are always some interesting fact like Ramanujan used to do experimenting number. So here are some of the result. Adding consecutive odd number. So if I take one odd number, I'll get 1 ka cube. After 1, what is the odd number? I have 3 and after this I have 5. So if after 1, I add 2 consecutive number, it is 8 and which is nothing but 2 ka cube because I have added 2 odd number. After 5, there is odd number 7, then 9 and then 11. Which is how much? It is 27 and this is 3 ka cube because I have added 3 odd number. Likewise, the next number is 11. After 11 is 13, 15 and then 17, which is nothing but 64. And here, I'm sorry, I need to take one more number because it says 4. So 17 and then it is 19, correct? And this is how much? It is 64 and that is 4 ka cube. I have to keep on increasing 1, then 2, then 3 and then 4. Like that, I'll get 1 ka cube, 2 ka cube, 3 ka cube and 4 ka cube. This is one of the pattern. Coming to the second one, cube and their prime factors. See, suppose I have a number 4 and its prime factorization is 2 into 2. So if I want to find out 4 ka cube and its prime factor, so it is going to be 2 into 2 and then power cube means 2 raised to 3 and 2 raised to 3. So if I have a number and its prime factors, then its cube pi factor is easy to find out, especially when the numbers are complex. Suppose I have a number 3375. Doing its prime factorization, I don't know. But as I said, we need to learn cube up to 15. So this is 15 ka cube, right? As I can write 15 as 3 into 5, then its cube, it means 3 raised to 3 and 5 raised to 3. So prime factorization of this is 3 ka cube and 5 ka cube. It becomes little easier. If you want to learn the exercise, please wait for the next video. You can also follow me on Instagram, that is let's score _ full. Take care and bye-bye. Also, happy studying.